Hello and welcome to my channel Manish Kumar Verma important topic, and today I have posted each and every topic of auditing which is been taught in BCom semesters on my channel. Note, none of the topic is left for auditing which is important and it's not posted on my channel. So you just go and watch the auditing lectures regarding each and every topic of auditing on my channel. Now I'm going to start the series of marketing topics. Yes, you have listened in correct way. Marketing topics. Marketing is a kind of subject which has been taught in BCom. As far as the last year students are concerned, marketing plays a very important role to gain more marks because it's a kind of a theory chapter. So I will tell you how to prepare the marketing, and I will give you the details. I will teach you how what are the concept of marketing is been very important as far as to gain more marks. I will tell you what is the marketing concept, like what is traditional concept, what is modern concept, difference between old and modern concept, importance of marketing, process of marketing, what is risk, transportations, storage, standardizations, grading, marketing finance, information, marketing research system, process of marketing research system, distributions, channel of distributions, middleman, merchant middleman, finance, pricing, each and everything should be covered on by me on my channel. So stay tuned with me from for the next 1 week. It is an kind of an important notice that now I am going to start my marketing videos. I have posted each and every videos of auditing which is consist of full syllabus of auditing which has been taught in BCom semesters. Right now I'm going to start the series of marketing which will consist the full syllabus of marketing. So if you watch my videos in a regular interval of time, you need not to go anywhere else to study marketing topics. Now it's the marketing you are seeing on the screen, that marketing plays a very important role as far as the communication strategy, inspirations, internet communication, message, result, entertainment, people, business, media, information, creativity, strategy, everything is been included in marketing. That what sort of marketing has been there, it's a very interesting subject, but I will teach you only those concepts which has been very essential for BCom students. And you all very well know that marketing, the father of marketing is Philip Kotler, right? So Philip Kotler book was there which is very important to be taken care of, but Philip Kotler book is for MBU, for those students who does MBA in marketing, right? Because that book was very advanced book, but I will teach you some topics of marketing also which is from Philip Kotler book, which usually consist in BCom semesters, right? So there are some topics of BCom also which will get in Philip Kotler book, and if you write those kind of things in your examination, then you will definitely score a high marks. Now I'm going to show you how the book looks like, because that books is so amazing, so knowledgeable book is there, because Philip Kotler is an father of marketing who has written this book. Is just a bible for us if the student is reading for marketing management, right? So I'm going to show you the book. So here is the book, Marketing Management, Philip Kotler, Camille Lankilop. So it's a very important book. It's a kind of a bible oriented book for a marketing aspirant. And if you want to read any topic of this book from my side, if you need any kind of help regarding any topic of this book, I will surely for sure help you. But as far as the marketing series of videos are concerned, I will my main focus will be on some topics which plays an essential role for a BCom candidate in their academics, right? So like risk, market finance, storage, marketing research system. But this book is an advanced level book. If in my full topic, if anything consists which should be related to this book, I will surely for sure tell you, right? And I will make some videos on this book also, of this some topics, right? I will select some topics from this book and I will surely make a video upon that. So this is the kind of an information video. I am giving you the information that I am going to start the series of marketing. So I will start the some concept. First we will start from what is marketing concept, like traditional, modern, difference, then nature, scope, importance, process, and then we will slowly move towards the transportation, storage, standardizations, grading, risk, then marketing research system, process of marketing research system, channel of distributions, middleman, elements affecting distributions, what is distributions, and pricing. So each kind of thing should be taught by me on this channel. So do subscribe my channel before the topic starts. So this is the full information video, and you can see the book is a kind of a very beautiful book of Philip Kotler, Chameleon Killer of our marketing student. It just act as a bible for us, right? So we will read some topics from these books also as far as the BCom syllabus are concerned. So now I'm moving towards the end of this video, because this video is a kind of just giving you the information that I'm going to start the marketing series videos, in which I will consist all the topics of marketing which is being included in BCom semesters and which plays an important role to gain more marks. And I will share with you important questions like long answer questions, short answer question. So you just subscribe my channel to stay tuned with me to get all the latest topics taught by me on this channel. And I have posted a series of videos of auditing also, which plays a very important role as far as the BCom last year students are concerned. So you just watch that videos till the time, and till the time I will prepare the marketing videos and post it on my channel, so you will get full-fledged content of marketing. You need not to go anywhere else apart from this channel. So subscribe my channel to get all the latest updates as far as the BCom subjects are going to be concerned. So thank you for now, and do subscribe my channel to watch latest videos. Thank you.